started in like 2 minutes. Yeah, no, we would need to run in and out of there.
Oh shit!
What's wrong? What's wrong? See something?
Yeah, no, I almost just ate shit.
Yeah, you see something?
Do I see something? Yeah, the ground coming at my face.
The floor? It's because you're learning. They don't like people that learn. I don't even know where our guys are at.
I know. I don't know where anyone went.
Yeah. That's the scary part.
Doom, de doom, doom. I'm hearing stuff from stables.
They're building.
I'm hearing shit though. I don't know if that's us or not. Yeah. Yeah, you're clear.
Hey, make sure you get back.
Yeah.
Cafe on Hillside. Yeah, they just watched that time, they were good.
Apparently 2 in cafe. You guys here in there? 2 in cafe. Which side? 2 buildings up. Steve, red building, straight ahead. Steve, red building. Steve! 3 in that red building with 2 windows.
I saw it.
There's 3 in there. You want nade?
Yes.
Pin's got the thing bent out on it. They're gonna be coming around backside.
You got a guy about to come right here. Just be careful. Oh, he's not.
Hey! Where the head? Hey! No! 3 o'clock!
We got over here.
Hey!
Good.
Is anyone a medic back here? We got a bunch down right over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they had a medic.
Yeah.
The medic's down.
Hang on, watch the doorway.
Here, I want.
Where? Watch the doorway. Someone just went in and bang bang. Watch the actually right side.
You're really off.
Yeah, I know. Whoa! You okay?
Yep. Yeah, you got stuck.
I think there might be still someone in there.
Good shot.
Damn it!
Careful.
Fuck Fucking hell, what the hell?
Here, use this.
That's fine. Ah, back corner. I'm out of pistol. That's what I get if I borrow a gun.
You got the corner. Shut the doorway.
Just move up to the open here on there.
Hit!
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, I got.
Saw a guy coming right there. See him moving.
Got 3 down over here! John's on this side! John's on this side! Hit!
Throw your hit. Marlon? Sorry. No. Hey, how many back there?
Huh? Let's go, dude. Move in. Yeah, you got. Oh, who else got? I should have had my other foot, damn it. You didn't give me time to set my tripwire, damn it. 5 minutes, I'll be starting here. Oh, yo.
Right now, you said you were the last
Yeah, I was the last one. I
like,
threw a
alright.
grenade out the front. It blew up, and I saw the shell.
The shell flew all the way over, man. It almost hit me. The
Seriously?
shell almost hit me, man.
Where'd that grenade go, that blue one? It went over here. Oh, yeah.
Where the fuck over there? I went over his head.
Yeah, that was me. What? I had the wrong gun for the job.
That thing is bad.
Right?
I had one before and I traded it away and I'm like, dude, I want another one.
Dude, I love it. I'm gonna get the real one, man.
Badass. I was
It's
like,
hard.
That and this in the doorway, then a grenade falls in. I'm like, oh fuck.
Damn
My
it.
friend runs out. I'm just sitting in the corner, fucking die, and it blows right next to my ears. It's the second one today.
Wow! Holy shit!
Whoa there.
There's a...
That's me right here, by the way. I'll hit the shit out of this building.
I've never seen a grenade blow off like that before.
You haven't always happened and it sucks. I say you threw it a little too hard. Because I knew I was gonna get shot.
Maybe a little hard.
I knew I was gonna get shot, so I ran out and just as hard as I could.
Because I knew there was 3 guys in here. And
Dude, I've never seen a grenade
just trip
shear
over
off
your
like that, man.
Oh, why not?
Trip over your grenade.
Oh, I gotta go.
Boy.
You don't need to actually go.
Grenade
BB
spam.
wars. You don't need to leave. Stay with us forever.
I have a pin right here, thanks.
Okay, no worries.
There you go.
Damn.
Parents right here. We were doing really good at the beginning.
We are doing really good.
And then Hillside couldn't hold it.
No. Hillside fucked up and got people in the hospital.
Oh yeah, dude, John made it right past. I'm like, oh shit, get back in.
I got 4 people out on that back corner over there, though.
I bang 3 people over here.
And you got friendly, and you shot a dead guy.
Yeah, I shot you.
You shot me in the face.
I shot you in the face because I'm like sitting there. I thought you got blown up by the grenade and we're walking out. Or like sat down in there.
No, I saw the guy run in and I was like, fuck this.
Well, I heard the grenade go off and then I see you coming through. I'm like, I'm shooting whoever the fuck cleared that room.
Guess where you hit me at?
Dude,
Right in the-
hey,
Right there.
Nice shot.
Right in the dome.
Nice shot. Dude, this guy, just one shot right in the face. Dude, I give you props on that shot, dude.
Coming around the red building?
Yep.
Nice.
I give you all props on that.
Oh man. That was tough. We tried to get back so many times. We were trying to pull back, we just couldn't. We got stuck.
I didn't see you, but like, okay, when I first peeked, I knew that somebody was there.
He's got a fucking doing great with that guy, man. He's got a lot of people.
Oh, dude, nice. Oh, dude, right at the beginning, I just started lighting up. Dude, that was maybe a really fun part where you guys were cooking on the other side.
I was on the phone for part of the game.
You're at what? I was on my phone for the part of the game. Wow, way to get lazy, bro. Yo, we're playing BB War.
I'm still shooting.
Alright.
What's up? I'm in a war.
Hey,
Let's
what are you
go.
doing right now? No, I'm not doing anything. Hang on 1 second.
Brah, brah, brah.
Fuck.
ABC posted a video call where the wife called the Navy SEAL while he was doing on and up. He's like, yeah, hey, I'm not doing anything. Hang on 1 second, and doesn't shut off the phone, and she hears everything in the gunfight. And she hears like 3 people die. What? Like literally, you hear the guy go, "There's a motherfucker!" Da, 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 da. And you just hear it just go down, and you just hear the guy gagging.
That's horrible.
They posted
Awesome,
on
though.
ABC.
Really?
Yeah, because like the woman, like, okay, she was on the Skype call and called the husband.
Oh.
And he answers it,